This is the Minicounter, a 3.6 gigahertz frequency counter, ideal for portable use or on overcrowded workbenches. It can be powered, for instance, using a power bank like this one. It cost me $350 and will be enough to power the unit for a whole day. Or it can be connected to an USB port in your laptop, or even to the mains using an adapter like this one. Well, let me do some tests with the Minicounter. First, let me show you the setup. Here I have a Rode Schwarz generator. You can see I have two cables here. This one is for the low frequency generator. The other is for the RF generator. It is, I don't know if you can see, but it's locked here to the external reference, this one, GPS disciplined oscillator. And also I have this other instrument, in this case working as an independent source. It's and the frequency you can see here is set to 3.6 gigahertz, also locked to the external reference oscillator. You see this cable here. Well, I set the input A, channel A, to 50 ohms here. So let's start with 30 hertz. Well, it's the beginning of the range, so we have only 2 digits. I can improve a bit, changing the gate to 10 seconds to take a bit longer to show the measurement. Oh, let me return to one second gate, so it's faster. Okay, now .50 hertz. .200 hertz, 500 hertz, 1000, 5000, and 10,000. Okay, let me switch to the RF generator. the other cable here. Ten kilohertz again. Now 100 kilohertz. One megahertz. Well, let me set something, a non-integer frequency. Let's say 10.555555 megahertz, right? Then 100 megahertz. Oh, sorry. 90 megahertz. This is the maximum frequency in this channel. With this level, it goes a bit higher, but we have to increase the level. So now I'm gonna change the channel. megahertz, and then 150 megahertz, 330, 600, 1 gigahertz, 2.777777 gigahertz, and 3.2 gigahertz. This is the maximum this Broad Schwarz can go. And then I'm gonna change the generator. So the key site level was set to minus 19 dBm. That is exactly 25 millivolts RMS, and that's it. It goes a bit higher, but we have to increase the level. So in the specification I say that 25 millivolts RMS is the worst case in the whole range. Well, there's another feature here, interesting feature. So this is the main menu. We can change the gate, the reference, internal and external. The internal reference is a voltage controlled, temperature controlled crystal oscillator, so pretty stable. you can change the impedance of channel A. You can have high impedance or 50 ohms, and you can also have an offset. Let me show how this thing works. Okay, let's continue with channel B. And then I will set 1.2 gigahertz in the generator, and I will press and hold the button. So let me set to on, plus, so plus 1.2 gigahertz, and read. So now it's reading what's the input. The gate is 10 seconds to do this measurement, and then quit. Now you can see that you have here on the display showing that it's channel B plus, meaning that you have an offset, and in this case is 1.2 gigahertz. So the generator is still on 1.2 gigs. So with the offset 1.2, it shows here 2.4. Well, this offset was stored in memory, but I can set it off. In other words, it will be still in memory, but not showing in the display, so it's not adding to the reading. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.